What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new car part for the E92 M3. Can't wait to show you guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's get on with the rest of the video. All right, guys, we have the E92 M3 out, Beamer Invasion this weekend. Both of my cars, the E92 M3 and the M4 GTS, are going to be there. Make sure you guys stop by the AA Concepts booth and check out both of the cars. Come show support, come show some love. They'll both be there. As like I said, we have a brand new car part. I've actually been wanting this part for a really long time. It's nothing too crazy, but it's still one of my favorite mods. If you guys want to take a guess, comment down below right now. It's something, I'll give you guys this. It's something in the exterior, so you guys will try to guess. Something in the exterior. Oh my god. The E92 M3 is dirty, yo! Good thing she's gonna get a wash right before Beamer Invasion, so. Okay guys, we made it to ABS Auto Body. They always got some sick ass cars in their shop. As you see, they got this Dakar yellow E92 M3, super clean. Look at that. I kind of like those headlights. Looks like it's like the stock headlight, but the ring is changed. It's pretty clean. They got an E90 M3 on comp wheels, GT4 lips. Super sick. The mod that we are getting for today is the brand new GT4 lip. This is called the KEZ lip, K-E-Z lip, GT4 lip. So as you guys know, that the GT4 lips, like the first versions, do not go all the way to the end of the bumper. As you can see, both of these cars have that new lip. And that's what we're gonna be getting done today on the E92 M3. BBS is on the Tesla, LMs, rich. But yeah, as you guys can see, my lip doesn't go all the way to the end. It cuts off halfway, which I don't know why they would do that from the beginning. They should have just made it go all the way to the end. So it's a sick lip, but it just sucks that it didn't go all the way to the end of the bumper, you guys can see. So with this new lip that we're getting from ABS, this one's gonna go all the way to the end. The quality on these is just gonna be crazy. So big shout out to ABS Auto Body. If you guys want to get the new GT4 lip, they're the only ones that have it. Yeah, come through, come check them out. I'll drop their Instagram down below. Come check them out. Come grab the new GT4 lip for your E9X M3. It's called the KEZ lip, K-E-Z. What's up, Kevin? What's going on? I'm excited for this new lip. Super excited to get it installed. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up look of a brand new one they're gonna put on the E92 M3. As you can see, they got a matte black G-Wagon. They've got an E46 M3. I'll show you guys right now. Check this out, guys. Sick ass E46 M3. Got the big brake kit on there. Got the wheels on there. Man, look at the interior. Look at those seats. Sheesh. They've got a GTR with a F80 bumper. With the F80 bumper on the GTR. Should be crazy. But this is pretty sick. You can see it's got the lap tour lip. It's got that extended lip from all the way up here. That's pretty cool. We've got the RX-7. Sheesh, on the TEs. Another E92 M3 compact space gray. See this guy, he's got the lip too. Everybody's got the new lip. I'm the only one with the old style lip. But yeah, I'm super excited for this lip. This one's already old too. Like it's already all like beaten up, kind of cracked and stuff. So we're gonna have a brand new lip for Beamer Invasion. But yeah, guys, once again, huge shout out to ABS Auto Body for providing me with this lip, this new style GT4 lip. I've been wanting it for the longest time, so come hit them up. Like I said, Instagram will be dropped down right here on the screen. It's called the KEZ lip, the GT4 KEZ lip. They're the only ones with this lip as well. So as you can see, they always got a bunch of M's. Got a clean E92 M3. Sheesh. On the T's with the cage. Look at that interior though too. Dang. Big ballers. He needs that lip too. Me and him are running the same lip right now. Got an M4 on TEs. I got an F80 M3 Secure Orange. That's pretty clean. Got the diffuser, older style tails, compact. Got the side skirts on there. It's pretty cool. Super clean. F80 M3. Got another M3. They got a bunch of M3s today. Are these the CS wheels as well? Got the GTR as well. Damn. So many cars, guys. A lot of people are preparing their cars for Beamer Invasion. This is gonna be a huge event, so you guys don't want to miss out. It's gonna be a huge BMW event. I think I heard estimated around like 8,000 people are supposed to be at this event, so it's gonna be crazy. There's gonna be like the hot pit, the drag strip, the revving battles. Like there's gonna be a bunch of stuff at this car show. So we got the Z3 or Z4. I don't even know which one this is. I know it's a Z, but damn, it's got a cage back there with the one seat. Damn. That is crazy. Look at that. Oh my god. I wonder how. I would for sure have to throw a pillow on there or something. You got the cage, carbon roof. This looks super clean. Alright guys, here's the lip right here. This is the new KEZ GT4 lip. Dude, this thing looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Just like the quality, the finish on it, how glossy it is. It looks really, really good. Wow. Sick. Beautiful GT4 lip. Like I said, guys, big shout out to ABS Auto Body. Hit them up. Come get this new lip. And trust me, guys, you guys will like this lip so much better. It completes it all the way to the end. Like I said, when I first got the GT4 lip, I always wondered why didn't they just complete it to the end? Why didn't, you know, but because it always looked like it was like missing, like it's like it wasn't completed all the way. But now with this new style lip from ABS Auto Body, completes it all the way to the end, and it just looks so much better. What do you guys think? I kind of like the yellow. I feel like going back to the yellow headlights, they look pretty cool. So the proper way to install the GT4 lip is actually you got to remove the bumper so you can get, you know, better access to it instead of just undrilling the lip and trying to like, you know, wing it from there. The proper way to be is to remove the bumper completely, and then you'll be able to line it up and match it up and get everything completed better. So as you can see, removing the mesh grill, unbolting the lip. Here you have like more better access to installing this lip. This RX-7 is really clean though, I'm not gonna lie. I like the way it looks. And there it is, it's off. I've had this thing for years. I had this thing for a long ass time.
It's not bad.
Still, yeah, it doesn't look bad, honestly. As you can see, it's got the washers, the screws. Is that a tummy dog? Looks sick. So it's a two-man job. You guys basically you gotta line it up with the lid to see how it's gonna sit, make sure it sits like properly. Because you know, like you could leave out like little gaps here and there, but other than that, this is like the best way to install the lip. You gotta take the bumper off, take the lip off, and align it just like how they're doing it, and you'll get like the best fitment possible. The homie Jesse, you can see he's got the horse standard diffuser, the spoiler. It's crazy to see a modded Tesla. I think it's a three-man job to get this lip right, because it's super complicated. You gotta make sure like everything is aligned, everything sits like perfectly and flush, and it's a three-man job, but you gotta make sure it all comes out right, fitment and everything. Looks crazy. And I love that it goes all the way to the end. Yes. Oh my gosh. Gotta be careful with this driveway. It's kind of sketch. Damn, that shit looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Passenger in my own car. And it's crazy because my name is Kevin and his name is Kevin. We got two Kevins. We got Mr. ABS taking some photos. Yeah, that shit looks sick. This color is insane. Especially with like the gloomy weather, just goes perfect with it, I think. All right guys, so we just finished up the little photo shoot that we had. I want to give a huge shout out to ABS Auto Body. Make sure you guys go grab that lip, the KEZ lip. Amazing fitment, the quality, it just looks so freaking good. And like I said, I love how it goes all the way to the end of the bumper, it completes it. It just looks so much better. I know it's not like a crazy big deal, but I don't know, to me, I think it just looks so much better. And yeah guys, so if you guys want to get that lip, hit up ABS Auto Body. I'll drop their Instagram down below right here. Give them a follow. And they do other stuff than just car part installs. They sell parts, they do body work, they do pretty much everything. So hit them up and ask for Kevin, that's the owner. yeah, guys, make sure you guys go get that lip. If you guys have an E9X M3, if you guys want to do a little new lip before Beamer Invasion, highly suggest it. Hit them up and let them know that Life with KG sent you guys. So right now, like I said, right now we are on our way to go to AA Concepts, and we're going to drop off the E92 M3, and it's going to be in his shop. It's going to get washed, and then it's going to be ready for Sunday. So it's going to be fun. Sheesh, we made it to Anthony's. Dude, Anthony's booth is gonna be so lit. Your booth is gonna be crazy. That M2 is sick as fuck. I like that. Is that the Kith edition M4? Yeah. That's just sick. Anthony's booth, guys. Y'all gotta come through to Anthony's booth. I'm telling you guys, it's about to be the craziest booth you guys are ever gonna see. What a sick M2, guys. Oh my god. With the BBSs on there, all the carbon. Manual as well. You ready for Beamer Invasion?
I'm ready, bro. Let's do this.
It's gonna be crazy, guys. The homie Xiaomi's G80. We got the brand new Kith edition M4 on BBSs as well, so it's pretty modified. But these are super limited. The whole interior says Kith on it. It's got like the M tri-color stitching all over the car, and then on top it says Kith. It's pretty sick. Got all the carbon on there, which is dope.
They kept the Alpha N logo carbon.
Oh,
yeah.
I see that.
And painted the rest.
That is sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like how you did like all gloss and then left the carbon piece.
Yeah, just
up here. That's cool.
Because it makes people kind of double take. Like, oh, is it a high kick?
Yeah, yeah. Nah,
full
that's
trunk
sick.
or what? Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, the way you
will have the
all
same trunk, but the second version. So both versions.
Oh, the way you did it is sick. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys at Beamer Invasion. Come through, say what's up. I'll be at the AA Concepts booth. Both of the cars will be there. If you guys need any coding, programming, full screen CarPlay, airbag delete, make sure to hit up Aries. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below. He'll be there as well, coding cars and programming cars. So hit him up, mention Life with KG. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.